Well, finding the area of a trapezium is a really important formula which we need to use. And I'm using a right-angled trapezium to illustrate the key aspect of the formula we're going to use. Effectively, what we need to do is to find the average length of the two parallel sides. And in this example, my two parallel sides in my trapezium are 16 metres and 18 metres. Now if I just extend that small side out towards the end of the shape, but only go halfway, we can see actually that a really cool aspect of this is to find the amount of area in the equivalent rectangle. So what I'm actually doing here is I'm going to find the average of 16 and 18, because we can see from a right angle trapezium that what I lose here, I actually gain here. So effectively what I'm doing is I'm finding the average of the two sides. That means that my trapezium formula would look like this. I write the area is equal to, then I write a half. I'm going to open up some brackets here. I'm going to put A plus B. Now A and B are effectively my two parallel sides. So I can call this one A, and I can call this one B. And I'm going to actually multiply that by the height of my trapezium. So that's a really important formula which we use to find the area of any trapezium, whether it's a right angle trapezium or any trapezium that we may be given. So my next line is to actually substitute my values into a formula. So I've got 1/2 here. Inside my brackets I'm going to put 16 plus 18. And sometimes students under exam pressure will actually work out 16 times 18. I think it's really important to recognise that we're adding the two parallel sides together. And then I'm going to times that by 10. So I've substituted the values incorrectly. I've now got A equals, so I've got my half times, and I think to myself, okay, well 18 and 16 is 34. So I've got half of 34 times 10. Nice flushed equal signs, sequential method work, moving towards a nice clear solution. I know that half of 34 is 17, so my area of my trapezium is 17 times 10, and then my final answer here, my final line will be that A is equal to, well 17 times 10 is 170, so the area of this trapezium is 170 metres squared. So in summary, what I've got here is a key important formula to work out my trapezium. I substitute my two parallel sides as A and B. I multiply by the height of the trapezium, so I end up with working out a half of the sum of the two sides times the height, in this case 17 times 10, so the area of my trapezium is 170 metres squared. So if we write a clear formula, substitute, work out and check, we're going to get the full marks for this question. So all the best for this trapezium question from the Collins team in the exam.